the second session for problem solving. So let's do this problem number 12. Let's start with the problem number 12. So what is given? From the following data, the median, find the median if mean is 35. The mean is given, you have to find out the median. So anybody can okay, can anybody help me? So let's write. So marks 0 to 10 of people are still coming in. It's 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. So, and frequency is given. All of you are doing along with me. Please do along with me. So
Yes, sir.
frequencies are given as 10, 20, 30, 50. Then after that there is a question mark, and then 30. And given that the mean is, what is given? The mean is equals to 35.
35.
So you
Yes,
have to
sir.
find the median. So this is the problem. So can anybody help me how to do it?
So first we will find xi.
Yes. So please do as Aparajita, I think Aparajita is saying. So so we have to find the mid values first. So mid values. So find out the mid values of the group. That is, this is 5, then 15, 25, 35, 45, and 55. See, as let's take this frequency as f, small f, unknown frequency. Let's take that frequency as small f and use the definition of mean. So to do the definition of mean, what we need to do as we find out the mid values, and then find, so mid values will be your xi, and then find out the fi into xi. So do fi xi, do fi xi. All of you are doing along with me.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
please,
sir.
so fi xi, that means fi xi is 50, then 20 into 15 is 300, then 750, operator, then 50 into 35 is,
So calculating.
keep your
1750.
calculator. Yes. 5 5 25, 5
Sir, 525.
5 5 the 25, then 15, 1750, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then next one,
45F.
45F. Mind that it is 45 into F, so this is 45F. Then 30
Yes,
into
sir.
55 is
1650.
1650. So 1650. And for doing the mean, you have to find out the summation fi xi. So find out summation fi xi and find out summation fi. So these two things are needed. Everybody is doing.
Yes, sir.
So what is summation fi xi?
4500 plus 45F.
Somebody else?
So 4500 plus 45f.
4500 plus 45f. And summation fi is?
90 plus F.
Kutha 90.
No, sir.
So 140.
140 plus F.
140 plus f. 140 plus f. তাই তো? Everybody
Yes,
agrees?
sir.
Yes, sir.
সবাই করেছে?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's wrap this board and go to the next. So what we have is mean Please write along with me. Mean equals to summation fi xi by summation fi. So we'll be using the formula given that the mean is koto? Mean is 35. So mean is 35 given, and summation fi xi what we have got is bolo
Sir,
4500.
4500 plus
plus 45 F.
45f divided by
Yes, sir.
summation fi is
140,
140
140
plus f.
plus F.
So cross multiply and simplify and find the value of f. Please quickly do. So simplifying here, what we get is f equals to f equals to 40. I'm not doing the simplification part. Just cross multiply, and you will get something, the equation like 45f minus 35f equals to 4900 minus 4500, and from there 10f equals to 400. So f equals to 40. That's how you get f. So after you get f, you put the value in the table. You put the value in the table and then calculate the median. Then calculate the median. So I think the median. Try quickly try calculating the median. So in that case, total value will be 180. So median class will be, I think, 30 to 40, isn't it? Median class will be 30 to 40. So median will be 30 plus n by 2 is 90. 90 minus 60 by 50 into 10. So that is 30 by 5. So 36. Median will be 36, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we complete that problem. It doesn't matter. Let's do this problem number 14, where the daily expenditure given and only median is given. I think only median will not help. There are two values is needed. So daily expenditure between 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and the number of families given as 14. 0 to 10 is 14 families, 10 to 20, there is a missing frequency over here. So I'm writing that as F2. 20 to 30, that is 27. 30 to 40, that is F4. It is also missing. And 40 to 50 is 15. And let's give that given that median is 20,
5.
and let's say mode is I am giving this particular mode is 26.2. Mode is 26.2. Okay. Now it is quite possible that this value that I have given may be not right. So, but let's try to solve it using this two unknown frequency. Let's see how to solve this. How to solve if there are two missing frequencies are there, then how we can solve. Since already median and mode are given, so we will be using median and mode formula. So for median, what we require is
Cumulative frequency.
Cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency less than type. So tell me. So first one is 14. Then next one will be
14 plus F2.
14 plus F2, right? Next one is
14 plus F.
14
Yes, sir.
plus
41.
27 is 41. So
41 plus F2.
Then
Yes, sir.
41 plus
41 plus F2 plus F4.
F4.
Yes, sir.
And then
56
56 plus F2
plus F2 plus F4.
F4. So this is the cumulative frequency. So now listen very carefully, students. Since already given the median is 25, given that the median is 25, We know this is the median class because 25 lies between 20 and 30. What is the definition of median class? Median class which contains the median. Median class contains the median. So since it is given that median is 25, so we know, so this is the median class. Now we can follow the definitions accordingly. Is it okay? Have you followed what I've said?
Yes, sir.
So let's use the
Sure.
formula. Anything anybody wants to ask me? So I assume that everybody is following. So let's write the formula for median is, so median equals to L plus n by 2 minus capital F minus 1 by F0 into H. So what is the value of median? It is given as 25, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
L is
Sir, yes, sir.
20 plus, now n is not given. What is the value of n?
56 plus
Plus
F2 plus F4.
F4, right? 56 plus F2
Yes, sir.
plus F4 by 2
By 2.
minus,
Yes, sir.
what is F minus 1? The median class's cumulative frequency.
Plus F2.
Huh?
40 plus F2.
41 plus F2, isn't it? Isn't it?
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
14.
Sir,
14
14.
Sorry,
plus.
14. So because I have already rubbed, so I can't see. 14 plus F2. There should be a bracket. Mind
Yes, sir.
that if you do not put bracket, then it will be wrong. So 14 plus F2 and F0. What is the value of F0? Frequency of the median
F4.
class is 27, I think.
Yes, sir.
I think it is 27. And H is 10 into 10. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
simplify. Now you simplify, take 20 this side. So that is 5. 5 into 27 gives you. So if you take 20 that side, it will be 5. So 5, and if you cross 25 by 27. So what you can do, 5 equals to, ওই 5 দিয়ে আবার এই 10 টাকে কেটে দেওয়া যাবে, তাহলে 2 হয়ে যাবে, and this becomes 20. Simplify করলে it will be 27 equals to, এই দেখো খুব সিম্পল হয়ে যাবে একটা, এটাকে সিম্পলিফাই করলে কত হয়, জাস্ট simplify and find the relation. I am also doing. Please do. So I think what we get is F4 minus F2 is minus 1, or F2 minus F4 is 1, something like that. After simplification, what we get is the first equation as F2 minus F4 equals to 1. That is first equation. Now we use the formula for mode. So there is for mode. If we use mode, then we will be getting the second equation. So 2 equations, 2 unknowns, solving those we can get. So mode is also, I've said 26 point something. So mode value is also given. So what is the mode value given? 26.2, isn't it? And so in that case, that will be also the modal class is defined. So you know what is the modal class. So you know what is the lower limit. So that is 20 plus, according to the formula. So F0, you know what is the value of F0? That bolo? frequency of the modal class is কত?
27.
27
Yes,
minus
sir.
frequency of the class previous to the modal class is কত?
F2.
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 True.
Then 2 into 27 is 54 minus F2 minus F4 আছে।
F4.
হ্যাঁ তাই তো? Into
Yes, sir. 10.
into 10, right?
10.
So do the simplification here. Also do the simplification and see how much you get. I think there is a fractional value. It's coming, something like that. So it's 6.2. If you multiply 6.2, 6.2. So multiply and simplify. How much you get? 6.2 into 54.4. So that means minus 6.2 F2 minus 6.2 F4, and you multiply 54 into 6.2. How much you get? You get 6.2 into 54. That is 8. You do it. $334.8.
Yes, sir. এটা এসছে।
334.8, which is equals to 270 minus 10
minus 10 F2
10 F2. So after simplification, what you get is
64.8
ওইটাকে ওদিকে নিয়ে যাই। আচ্ছা বলো 64.8
equals to
equals to
6.2 F4
6.2 F4
minus 3 point
আচ্ছা
so minus 3.8
কেন
F2
কেন মাইনাস? দুটোই তো মাইনাস আছে, ওদিকে নিয়ে গেলে
Sir,
প্লাস হবে।
হ্যাঁ প্লাস হয়ে যাবে এটা minus 10 F2 আছে ওটা প্লাস
ওটা প্লাস হয়ে যাবে।
হ্যাঁ
6.2 F4 প্লাস
so minus
কি করে মাইনাস?
স্যার এই যে স্যার মানে 6.2 F2 টা ওই পাশে নিয়ে গেলে প্লাস হয়ে যাবে আর এটা তো মাইনাস
ওটা মাইনাস, হ্যাঁ ঠিক ঠিক ঠিক, এইটা ওইটা মাইনাস আছে না, রাইট রাইট ঠিক বলেছো। সো কত হবে ভ্যালুটা? মাইনাস
3.8 F2
3.8
F2
F2. So you have got two equations, F2 minus F4,
Yes, sir.
and then quickly solve and see how much you get. You can replace F2 as F4 plus 1. So you can replace F4 এই ইকুয়েশনটা আবার বলো তো। 64.8 equals to বলো
6.2
6.2
F4
F4 minus 3.8
minus
F2. 3.8 F2.
3.8
F2.
F2 মানে হচ্ছে F4 plus 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So simplify, calculate করো কত হয়। That is 6.2 F4 minus 3.8 F4 minus 3.8. So if it goes there, it becomes 6, 68.6.4, 2.4 F4. পয়েন্টটা তুলে দিলাম, তাহলে F4 হচ্ছে 686/24। কাটাকাটি করলে কত হবে? 343/12। তার মানে it will be coming as 12 × 24 10 103
28.58 28.58
8.58. Yes, so 28.58. Now I have something to say. So 28.58 you can take that as 29, and by and because it's a numeric value, you cannot frequency cannot be point, so you have to take a numerical value. So if it is more than 0.5, so you just add 1 to them. Now there is a problem with this. What is the problem? Who can tell me what is the problem? The kind of data that I have given. So F4 is 29. In that case, F2 will be 30, isn't it? Because F2 is F4 plus 1. Hello,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Students, are you following what I'm trying to say? Then what is the problem?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is the problem with the with this mathematical? There is some logical problem in this mathematics. What is the logical problem? Who can tell me? Anybody? As I have said in the beginning, that we are the mode data was not given. I have given that data, so there could be a calculation mistake. Now, if F2 is 30 and F4 is 29, then the modal class cannot be 26.2. Do you get my point? The mode, because we have got modal class. I have given modal class as 26.2, and the corresponding frequency was 27. Is it okay? Do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
But we are getting a frequency which is more than 27. So in that case, the logic becomes problem. But this is the way we have to solve the problem, because I have made the data myself. That's why it is coming that if it is something like 24.5, or if the mode value is less than 25, then it could have been better. By the way, but this is the process to solve. If mode and median is given, you have to use the mode and median formula and find out the relation between the frequencies and then solve. And that's how we solve the Ising frequencies.